Bodoland FC cannot afford to slip as referee Lalit Singh Rawat gets us underway here at the Sai Stadium in Kokrajhar. Likes to press, he's a coach's player. And Odisha FC have the ball here. Somebody waiting at the penalty spot, Rahul Mukhi, with an opportunity to lay it off for one of his players, Kunduso. Edge of the box stuff from Bodoland FC as they're looking to find the opportunity to shoot. And when they do, it's a bit aimless. Scooped forward and the run has been invited from Mintiga Demar. He's crossed into the box.
Just couldn't direct that ball. What a beautiful ball that was coming in. And then the defender just cuts it off.
Bodoland take this corner to the edge of the box and the shot is coming. And it's scraped the side netting. The ball is chipped forward and it's a nice touch and has been laid off. It was a sliding tackle that prevented the shot from being taken. It's a nice turn in midfield. And there's an opportunity for them to cross it into the box. The cross is
a little bit too heavy, like you said. Lovely ball there.
Afoba looking for options. He's taken a shot and that was not too far away. Surprised everybody.
Really, what an angle that is. Look at that. Nobody there to attack him, and he tries to put the curler. But lovely was the ball pounding in front of the goalkeeper.
Very interesting to see how that change now decides Bodoland's gameplay, as that has been headed into the path of a Bodoland player who slotted it home to give them the lead. The home side has hit the frontier, and it's number 14. Home fans erupt. It's 1-0 to Bodoland.
Wonderful goal.
Very calm finish. He didn't try and blast it. He found the far corner. Bodoland have taken the lead in the Sai Stadium at Kokrajhar. They lead 1-0. And signals the start of the second half. This time Bodoland will start proceedings. The cushion header is wonderful, but Odisha got their mitts on it. It's been tipped over the bar. The shot from distance.
Yeah, one thought Neeraj did extremely well because that was dipping at the last moment and he was off his line. He should be careful about that. He should try and be more aggressive with their mindset.
The first touch was good from Afoba. He spread it to the edge of the box. The game is entering into that phase where Bodoland now have a cross, and that would definitely be a huge miss. A huge miss.
Yes, that run was perfectly timed and such lovely 1-2. But one felt that Mintiga was fractionally offside.
Has been carried out into the wide area by Bodoland. Chopped in. The shot has just whistled past the post.
Yes, that was a little body feint, trying to open up the angle.
At the edge of the box, the cross will come in. It's come in towards the far post. It's been met by an Odisha FC defender. Bodoland are looking to keep the ball here and perhaps score a goal. That'll earn 3 points for them, as that is a magnificent through ball. He's one-on-one and the shot has been dragged wide. There was the moment and an opportunity to perhaps seal all 3 points.
Could you believe it? How could he miss it from that? What a great pass that. There would be days when it will be raining heavily, as it did here in Kokrajhar.
Ball's played through on the right and the cross has come in and the goal indeed. It's 2-0.
Arjun Marde, as you were mentioning, perfectly positioned there. What a lovely cross that, lovely setup, and Arjun in the right position. And look at that cross. The two substitutes coming into play, and what a great finish. That was a cross sent from Mamocha Singh.
They are the boogie team for the Juggernauts, and they've done it the second year in a row. They won it last year 2-1. This year they won it 2-0.